Alright, so we just ordered some parts for the E46, or we ordered some parts the other day, and we're getting them in now. So here's the first part. What we got? And it was the Kershaw. Bought it from eBay.
eBay special.
Nice, take care of the package. There you go.
We got a Kershaw.
Oh my god. Man, loaded it down. Actually, oh heck yeah.
Woo-hoo. What do we got?
So we got the new wheel for, we went with an OEM. It's looking really freaking good.
Yes, sir.
Not bad at all. I saw this in the, he told me I had a little bit of damage right here, as you can see. Just a little bit of normal wear, but what are you gonna do? Dang, this thing's looking good. Really good. Heck yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna put my plate on it, my face plate on it anyway, because mine has still a good M and stuff, but otherwise, this thing's in super good shape. Look at the back. No tearing.
Take a look.
No tearing anywhere. Looks really good, actually. This wheel's nice and fat compared to the E46 M3s. Feel it.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Oh, she's beefy now.
Yeah, that's nice. Just gotta clean that baby up. Let's go.
She
Hit
put
it
it right
up
up.
with the Mako. Here was a test feed.
A little test fish.
As you can see, I cleaned her all out.
Oh, she's clean. She's clean as a
Looking pretty
whistle.
good. I still got more cleaning to do, but for the time being, she's not bad. She will do. Let's see how it's looking.
All right.
Oh, D. Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby.
Oh, she's looking good right there.
No bends. I was worried whenever I was buying my wheel that that this will be bent up, because whenever my wheel is bent really bad, but look at it. Nice and straight. Heck yeah. Looking really good. I'll put that below. So look at that, guys. Fresh wheel. Still waiting on my cluster and crap like that. So still waiting on my cluster. Still need my left turn signal. And then I'm just waiting on, I'm trying to decide if I want an aftermarket radio or should I just get an OEM and do the aux cable crap, like I did on my ZHP, but I don't know, we'll see what I can find a deal on. This thing's actually not that bad. Let me see my face.
Comment down below. Tell them what to do.
It's gonna be looking like this right here. OD. Look at that. Heck yeah. Just gotta clean
Yes,
this boy
sir.
up. It's gonna be looking real good. Should I clean this up though?
Good.
Let me see my other, here it is. So as you can see, mine's still in really good shape. Just gotta clean it, and it still has my M on it, so I'm just gonna put that on the front. It's gonna be looking real good. And that's my old wheel right here. As you can see, freaking chewed up anyway. I think this was even before the accident actually. And you can see in the back how it's all bent through. So all these tabs back here are broken, so you really can't, as you can see, it's all bent. So you really can't do anything with it at this point. Look at it, it's all screwed.
Yeah,
that's from the branch for sure. She's chewed up. So yeah, just gonna put this on the wall as a decoration, and we got our new boy ready to go. So yes, sir. We'll see you on the next one. We're about to go help out our boy Carbonator, and we're still getting parts in for this thing. But once we have everything together, we're gonna do the oil change and everything like that, and give her the first test drive maybe in like 3 days, something like that. So stay tuned. E46 M3.